Okay, next question. How to stay focused when so many areas of my home needs my attention at the same time. They're all important. They all would improve my quality of life, but I only have so much time and energy. I tend to make progress in one area, but get it to good enough status and then move on to the next fire. New habits aren't formed in the areas I worked on, so they backslide. But I don't feel like I have time to finesse a good enough area when I've got such imminent messes everywhere. Okay, here's the thing that I want you guys to understand: decluttering is not cleaning. And maybe that is why some of you are struggling with the size of a job that you're working on with your already booked to the limit scheduled out days. I want you to look at decluttering as a home improvement project like painting or replacing the floors or resurfacing a piece of furniture. This is a large project that needs to be broken down and then put into your daily to-do list lineup for the week ahead. And this is why it's so important to have a complete to-do list for every single week of your schedule for just you and your family, so you know exactly what all you need to do that has to get done and where you have time to put things in that you want to do, such as a new decluttering project. So when you do your schedule for the next 7 days, I like to do mine on Sunday, and we have a post on this called the weekly planning basket. And this is actually my routine that I do every single Sunday, so I can start my Monday week exactly where I need to be, know exactly what needs to be done, know exactly where my focus is, what appointments I have, and so on. So if you've not read that post, jump over to declutterinminutes.com and search for weekend planning basket, and that post will come up. So you want to make sure on your schedule for the week ahead, you have any appointments that are specifically for you, any appointments for your immediate family, those people that live in your home, any commitments that you have, any social events that you have coming up, your cleaning routine, things that need to be done every single day to keep the house relatively livable, and any work commitments or events that need to be in your schedule. Once you have your week filled out, and the best, oh, I wish I had it in front of me. Inside of the Declutter in Minutes planner are the block scheduling planner pages. Now I sell them in my shop, but they're in the Declutter in Minutes planner if you guys have that planner. And they show the full day. And I think the time blocks out from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. That is my favorite calendar because it allows me to really streamline my days. So that is what I like to use. So once you have that week filled out, and I do believe 2 pages gives you all 7 days, so you can see it front and center when you're doing your day-to-day work. So you want to make sure that everything that needs to be done is already on your schedule, and then you can see where you have pockets of time, that you can work on decluttering projects where you have the time to do that. So let's say on Wednesday, you have 20 minutes available before you start making dinner. Well, since you're already going to be in the kitchen, this might be a great time for you to declutter and clean out the 2 drawers in your refrigerator. Or you can go ahead and tackle your measuring cup area because you have tons of measuring cups and it's definitely more than you need. So if you have 10 minutes on let's say on a Tuesday, then go ahead and tackle that project. When you can see at a glance how much time you have to work on these decluttering projects, and you already have a list for that project of the broken down tasks that have an approximate time frame to how long they're going to take, you could just pluck it from that list and plop it into your to-do list schedule for the week ahead. And before you know it, you're going to have that entire area done. It kind of evolves as time goes on without you even realizing it. So if you do learn a habit when you're first starting out with decluttering, is to take a big project, that's your elephant, break it down into steps. Those are your areas, your bite-sized pieces, and then break that area down into decluttering mini projects that you can tuck throughout your schedule for the week ahead. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out.